Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
And welcome back to the Dog and Posh, the place of home fine craft ales. If you haven't known him before, you won't find him in Qatar because he doesn't believe he's coming home. It's the world famous, get me out of here, Alan Partridge.
You won't find me in Qatar either. There you go.
Where he is.
This is my brewmaster brother, also not watching the Football World Cup. Brewmaster Brewday party. All right, bro.
I am alright, love. Yes, you?
How's it going?
It will be better when I've had a beer.
Oh, I'm taking you on the straight on there.
Well, now, not so. What you want to discuss, sir?
Nothing really.
Let me not start leaning on the... How's Matt Hancock doing in the jungle? I don't watch it.
I don't either, mate. my good lady watches a bit of it, I think, but you know...
I've got opinions of changing them, apparently. They've all like started. No?
I think some people's have, but there you go.
Anyone listen to on the radio, I'm afraid.
Love the dodgy politics. Right, I believe we've got some beers to taste, bro.
We have indeed a full range of beers from across the bar and across from brew shops across around the country.
Where are we starting tonight, bro?
Well, we're going through to a brew shop over at, I think it's Chesterfield, somewhere like that. It's Love Brewing.
This is the Beer Works Old Reptonian Drifter IPA, yes?
Yeah, the beer works. Now, he does make his own beer kits at Love Brewing. Okay. And he's come up with some new ones we haven't been overly impressed with. Some have gone down the sink. We've been a little bit dismayed, really, with a range of beer kits. Not just his beer kits, with a range of beer kits. Now, we don't set out to slate beer kits or people, try to put people out of business or anything like that, but we do have to give our honest opinion. If something is rubbish, I'm afraid we're going to
at the
take
end of the day, as well, you're obviously watching this, so you're interested in our opinion, but it is just our opinion.
It is just our opinion.
Yeah. So this is Old Reptonian Drifter IPA 5.2.
Yeah.
Now this is resinous with strong hints of grapefruit and black currant.
I don't think they'd have gone together quite well, either.
I'm not the biggest fan of black currant anyway. I don't know how it's going to mix with grapefruit.
I want to put the two together myself.
No. This is obviously a 2-tin kit.
Well, yeah, bag.
Oh, it's a bag in there, is it?
Bag of malt extract.
Okay.
And another bag of malt extract. And some hops. An hop sock.
Yeah.
Priming sugar.
Everything. Do you need an answer with it or not?
No.
One cup. Lovely jubbly.
Again, like I say, it's a malt extract kit, so you just warm the bag of malt extract up in warm water, and then open it, pour it into your fermenter, dissolve it with boiling water, top it up cold, leave it for a while, and then dry up.
Lovely jubbly.
Fairly straightforward, really, if I'm honest.
Have a whiff of that.
I don't like the sound of that. Have a whiff of that. I don't like the sound of that.
Well, unfortunately for me, I want you to smell it first so I don't give you any of my ideas, but all I'm getting again is malt.
Yeah, same here.
I'm not getting anything else but a nose full of malt.
Same here.
Do apologise. Right. In fact, I can't.
I'm not really getting
anything else
apart
besides
from
that.
Right, we're going to try and taste it, because at the minute then,
Cheers.
what we're going to do is give it a 0 out for nose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going in. It's an interesting taste. And I think they are spot on. I can definitely taste grapefruit in there.
That's more drinkable than his last ones.
I'm going to have another one.
Yeah, I can taste the grapefruit. Whether I can taste the black currant is another matter. I think I can, if you think.
It can a little bit. Black currants can be a bit sour, can't they? I mean,
Yeah.
this is heading towards a sour beer, isn't it?
It is indeed, yeah.
Especially with that grapefruit tang in it.
Strong grapefruit.
The more,
tang.
actually, the second step, the more I like it. It's quite good.
Compared to his last attempts,
Yes.
that's in a different atmosphere.
And it's 5.5%, so it's quite strong.
It is, isn't it? Yeah. Actually, that's a drinkable beer.
I quite like that.
I wouldn't say it's 10 out of 10.
It's not a 10 out of 10, but it's a quite palatable beer.
At least it's not going down the sink this time.
No, that's not, no. And also, if you started the evening on maybe some just brown, steady, normal bitters, bring that on, get your taste buds going, that'll, it's good.
It's not pink grapefruit like Elvis juice, it is grapefruit.
No, it's grapefruit, yeah. The predominant back taste I'm getting is that grapefruit taste at the end.
Yeah. Very little black currant, if any at all, if I'm honest. Yeah, I'm around about 8, actually.
you know what? You read my mind. I was
Yeah.
going to go in and out for myself. It's a solid 8, that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's a big improvement from the drain cleaner we had last time.
There you go.
There you go.
First beer down.
First bit down, of course, we've also started with an extract kit because the next 2 kits are full grain, and I think it's always unfair to have a full grain kit
And then go back to
an extract
yeah.
kit because you can taste the difference. It's all to do with the mouthful feel,
yeah.
etc.
So the next one we've got here is from Brewday.
Yep.
Eurekawacka New Zealand hopped IPA puts Eureka and Wackatow hops at the front row.
Yeah.
New Zealand hopped IPA packs more punch than the New Zealand All Blacks.
Really? I don't know about that.
Practice your hacker during the brew and get ready for a beer that tackles the senses.
Well, I probably should have had this at the weekend.
Somebody's raided the pun book when they're over this, haven't they? I believe this is actually this recipe came up with the guys at Brewday themselves.
Yeah.
So 5.5%.
Again, full grain kit, so it comes nicely packaged actually, and all your hops are labelled, ready to go in.
Yeah. Very pale.
Very pale.
Very pale, that one. Quite clear.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lovely.
Wow.
Oh.
Now that has got a nose.
That's got all sorts going on in there.
Just breathe into the glass like I just did there, and then take a sniff out.
I'm drunk.
Yeah.
You can smell what's going on in there, can't you? Really? That's
like it says in the blurb there, really.
Yeah, Eureka and Wackatow, however they pronounce it. But yeah, they're predominant in there.
Is it going to give us a punch to our senses then, do you think?
Well, we'll see. I'm good for it.
Harder than the All Blacks.
Go on.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. That's lovely.
That's lovely, that is.
I wouldn't say it punches.
No, I wouldn't say it punches. It's a lovely, rounded, well-balanced beer, actually. There's good smoothness because the mouthful feels excellent. And there's a nice, actually, balance, I would have said, of citra and peach and stone fruits going on.
This is where the difference comes when you go from a malt extract kit,
Yes.
even a really good one,
Yes.
to a full grain.
Yeah.
That's pub quality beer, or even craft, brewery beer. It's exactly as you get there. It's fantastic.
Yeah.
It's got complex. It's smooth. It's rounded. It's brilliant.
Everything in the glass, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
I'm going straight in with a 10 out of 10 for me.
Definitely a 10 out of 10 for me as well, yeah. That is a cracking beer, and it's 5.5.
Getting a bit messy with that because it's not quite. Doesn't taste it for 5.5.
No, it doesn't. All you want to do is just
It's
I'm going in here.
Well,
See you later.
It's 10 out of 10 for me. There you go. Beer 2.
Oh, lovely beer. Lovely beer. And I'd just like to point out that Al hasn't had any of these beers today at all.
No.
These are fresh on the bar.
Very well.
I've poured the first one or two tonight. He hasn't tasted any.
So sometimes we get the chance to have a beer beforehand.
Yeah.
But no, this week they're all brand new to me. So yeah, that's a cracking beer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cracking.
Right.
Right.
Last beer of the evening looks like. Oh, sorry, I was going to say something. Right?
No?
Worcestershire Hop Shop Sheredrop Best Bitter.
Yes.
I believe you've got a sample of this somewhere.
I have indeed, yes. Now, the reason why it's a Sheredrop Best Bitter, and we hadn't heard of it before, is it's because it's from down Surrey way.
Surrey way or somewhere like that.
So I went on that internet, and I ordered a couple of, I'm just going to go in here,
Sheredrop
sample glass each.
Surrey Hills Brewery. Okay. So it's obviously Surrey. So yeah, I'm not aware of it. So this is with a citrus aroma and fruity taste, named after the picturesque Surrey Hills.
Yeah.
Village of Sheer. Is it Sheer or Shire? Sheer.
Sheer.
Yeah. Our flavoursome best bitter is made from the finest floor malted English barley.
Oh, yes, that.
Married together with top quality hops, water and yeast.
Floor malted as well, you know.
Floor malted, like it used to be at our beloved Bass Maltings.
Yeah. Right. We've had most beers from around the country, but not this one.
I've never had this.
So, yeah.
It's new
First,
for
we'll
me.
start with the bottle from that there internet.
Well, it'll give us a good idea of what the what's comparable, won't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's exactly what you expect. It's best butter colour. It's clear.
I do like a nice best bitter from them.
Oh, and you know what? That smell. You can smell those.
yes.
Yes, can't you?
English malts,
Coming through there, can't you?
not a lot of hop.
Well, it's lovely, that. I'm going in for a bit of a taste. Just what it says on the bottle. It's
Classic English bitter.
classic English best bitter. Spot on.
Spot on.
Yeah.
A nice round full feel of the malts blended together. Just a hint of the hops in the background to make the dryness of the palate great. Just a everyday session bitter that really wants to like.
What's your percentage? Oh, 4.2. So yeah, it is bang on for a best bitter.
Oh,
Yeah, it's very nice. So,
so
how does
have
it
Butcher
compare?
Shop done a good job then? Do you think?
So this is obviously a clone recipe.
Yeah.
Lovely.
So they say. So this is what they claim to be. You see, this actually recipe on the internet from Butcher Shop claims to be a clone
Okay, okay.
of Sheredrop.
Well, I can see from here the colour's not far off. Oh, sorry, I've got me back to the camera there, but yeah, the colours are pretty spot on there.
Pretty
isn't
spot
it?
on,
Yeah.
actually, to be fair.
Yeah. So, colour, tick.
Colour, tick.
Right then, nose. You know what? That's
I tell you what.
that's exactly the same. There's no difference. Well, let's hope it's
Nose, no difference.
no
So,
difference. Same
10 out
colour,
of 10
same
for
nose.
colour, 10 out of 10 for the nose.
I'm going in.
Going in. It's even better.
For me, that's better, purely because it's not carbonated.
Yeah.
It's smoother, isn't it?
Like you get in the pub.
That's exactly how that would be served in a pub. That is glorious.
It's glorious.
I'm rushing straight in, but I'm going straight for it. I'm going for his 10 out of 10. Because,
Straight out of 10 out of 10.
that is everything you want from a beer.
Well, yeah, I mean, last beer, fruity, punchy. This beer, good classic English session bitter.
Yeah. Probably a little bit more akin to this time of year as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Ooh.
This is more like Batham's or Bass or
Bass.
somewhere in that kind of range of best beers.
Of traditional English best bitters, like you say, yeah. Cracking, 10 out of 10 all day long. And that's full grown, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
So that can go onto the list as well.
Yeah. Oh, these two can go onto the
So we've
list.
got 2 more going on the list. Just tonight.
So we're going to probably do 1 or 2 more videos, and then early part of next year we'll do the 2022 awards in 23.
Yeah.
And look back over the year, and then decide best clone bitter. I think will be one of the awards. Best dark bitter, best IPA.
Yeah. Lovely.
And something like
Best
that.
kit, or are we going to stick to the full range?
I'll just stick to the full grains.
Okay.
I think because we haven't had a great kit this year. The extract, have we really? At the end of the day.
Well, you say that, but then again, the ones we've previously done, the ones the last video.
The last video we just did,
hazy
that
one,
was
yeah.
probably about the best kit of the
Yeah.
year so far. So I seem to remember.
Yeah.
Like, we've been struggling.
Yeah, a little bit. Some of them are a bit good, but I'll have to have a look back through them. But yeah, so some of them are alright. But yeah, but we'll stick to the full grains.
We'll stick to the full grain this year. We did the extract beer kits the year before. So
Yes, we did indeed. Actually, got a point.
and Moncton's flagship AZ came out on top of that one. And I've still got the list down there.
There's a list down here. I can see it's down here.
Mangrove Jack Citra and Dark Rock One Session tin kits. They were great, fantastic.
Right, I'm about to tell you what's coming next, but my brother, in his wisdom, has put something in the way.
Can you say? Do you want me to tell you?
I'll tell you the top one,
Yeah.
and you have to do the others.
Okay.
So we've got Worcestershire Hop Shop,
Yeah.
Hyde's Dark Mild.
Yeah.
Right.
Well, we're moving into the dark side for the rest of the season. So then we're going to do Moncton's Dockland Porter.
Oh my life, a porter.
Yeah, and now this is a two tin kit.
Right, okay.
It does work out around 58p a pint. That one I've just seen on the internet today.
Lovely.
But it is from their gold range, so it should be fairly good as well.
Right, yeah.
And then we're going to move on to a new one to us.
Right,
This is
okay.
a designer brew pack from Amstead Home Brew
Right, yeah.
Shop, and it's a Genius Irish Stout.
Oh, is it? Is it really? Genius. Yeah, genius.
And this is almost an extract kit that comes with a tiny bit of grain. You can do this. I'm going to talk about this in the next video. But you can
Okay.
almost do this in a saucepan.
Right, okay.
And we'll see what it turns out like.
Okay, we'll see what it's like then.
Yeah.
Looking forward to those. If you're watching us anywhere else besides YouTube, get on over there and hit the subscribe button if you like. And make a comment.
Yeah, we're very close to 2,000.
Very
Maybe
close.
waiting to get 2,000 for Christmas. All I want for Christmas is 2,000 subscribers.
Yes, I mean, isn't it? I think we've had too much beer. Well, that's about it, isn't it, Brian?
That's about it. Until next time, it's a goodbye from him.
And it's a goodbye from him.
Huzzah!
Huzzah!
To the king!